Hello children, once again welcome you all for today's class. Today we'll learn from the same chapter neighborhood, places and people with new topics. People who help us and places for recreation. As we have learned in the previous class, important places in the neighborhood. So what are the places children? Like market, school, post office, police station, bank, hospitals and fire station. Okay, we have learned already in the previous class. So now today we are going to learn about people who help us and places for recreation. First we'll go with the people who help us. Many people work in the neighborhood. Many people work in the neighborhood places. These people help us in different ways. Yes, different people help us in different ways. We should be polite and kind to people who help us. Always we should be polite and kind to people when they help us. We must say please and thank you. Whenever we are in need, we have to say please, and after completion of our work, we have to say thank you. Okay children, see here. Postman. A postman works in a post office. He delivers letters and parcels. Yes, na children? Postman comes to our house. Yes, no? With the letters and parcels from our near and dear ones. And in the next picture, to whom you see children? Doctor. A doctor treats sick people. Yes, we know that. A doctor works in a hospital. Yes, no children? Now, in the next picture, it shows a gardener takes care of plants. See, he is watering the plants, right? A gardener takes care of plants. Now, in the next picture, you can see a man is sweeping the road or a street. So, this man is known as sweeper. So, a sweeper cleans the streets. Every day you can see, no? In the morning and in the evening, both the time, the sweepers come to sweep the street to maintain neat and clean. Yes, no children? Now, the next one you see. What he is holding? Milk. That means he is a milkman. A milkman brings us milk. Every day you are drinking milk, no? Who is getting milk for you? Milkman. Now, in the next picture you see. Who is she? Nurse. A nurse looks after sick people. Right children? Where we can see nurse? In hospital. Okay. Besides the doctor, she will be standing and she will be taking care of us by the guidance of the doctor. Now in the next picture you can see what the man is selling. Vegetables, right? So what we call him as greengrocer. Now see, a greengrocer sells vegetables. Now in the next one you see children, what he is doing? He is repairing or mends the shoes. That means who mends the shoes? Cobbler. What we call him? Cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. Now in the next one, in the next picture you can see different types of things are there. That means who sells children? A shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells different things. Understood children? Now come to the next page. Now what he is doing? He is preparing a furniture or he is making a furniture. That means who does the furniture children? Carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture. Okay. Now can we see in this picture who is standing with the stick? Watchman. What does the watchman do? A watchman guards our house. Yes, no children? Next. Now who is he? Tailor. What he is doing? He is stitching something, right? A tailor stitches our clothes. Now the next one you see, children. With the ox and the man ploughing the fields. That means he is a farmer. A farmer grows grains and vegetables. Without farmer, we cannot survive. Can we take rice? Without farmer, we are getting rice? No. Okay. Now, what he is doing, children? He is a mason. He builds houses. Okay. Now, see in the next picture. Who is he? He is a courier boy. Delivers our couriers or parcels. Nowadays, we are getting parcels. We are booking or ordering the goods from Amazon or Flipkart. Like many sites are there, no? Many apps are there. Through that we are getting, no? So who is bringing all those things? A courier boy. Delivers our couriers or parcels. Now it's time to do the matching. Okay. Now you see. Grows food crops. Who grows food crops, children? Farmer. Put number 1. Then, keeps us safe by guarding the country. Who keeps us safe, children? Soldier. Number 2. Designs roads and bridges. Who designs, children? Architect. Writes books for us to read and learn. Author. Okay. Helps transport food, milk and many other things from place to place. Who is a truck driver? Okay. Now turn the page, children. So, this is the one more topic from the lesson. Places for recreation. That means where we are completely relaxed for few minutes or few hours. With all the tensions we are putting out and we are coming to these places and we are enjoying a lot. Right? Now see. We learned that activities that we do during our free time for fun and entertainment are known as recreational activities. There are some places in the neighborhood where we spend our free time. Okay. Children play in the neighborhood park. See. Here the park is there. Okay, children play in the neighborhood. Where they play? In the park. Okay, children. Some neighborhood parks have swings, slides, seesaws and many other rides for children. See here. Some are playing seesaw, slides. Okay. Many other things are there to play for children. People jog, walk and do yoga in the park. Old people are going for jogging, walking and do yoga also. Neighbors sit and talk in the park. Yes, no children? If you people are playing in the park, when what your mama and auntie or mama and papa are doing, they are sitting in the corner. Yes, no? There the benches are there. They are sitting and they are talking each other, no? With each other. Yes. Many neighborhoods have community halls. Parties are held in these halls. People in the neighborhood play indoor games such as chess, carom and table tennis in the community hall. We can borrow and read books from the neighborhood library. Some people enjoy reading books in the library. Now you can see in this picture, okay, neighborhood community halls. That means nowadays in the apartments, there we can see a community hall. Okay, for the apartment people only, they are spending the time over there. In the center of the hall only, there are different types of areas or rooms are elected for one another. Like one can play over there indoor games or outdoor games, or they can do parties in the halls, or spend so much time with their friends during reading the books or something else like that. Okay, so these are the two places for recreation which are mentioned in your book for kids and for the elders, and this library is for kids and elders also. So that's all for today, children. Thank you. See you again in the next class. Bye bye.